Anytron Digital Print Pro.
AnyJet 2 Plus is an all-in-one digital label production system designed to handle a wide range of label applications. It allows you to produce labels in-house with high-resolution 1600 by 1600 DPI printing, complete with full-color graphics, ingredient panels, barcodes, and variable data across multiple SKUs and product lines. Once printing is complete, the built-in lamination module immediately applies a protective coating, giving you durable, finished labels without any additional equipment. After lamination, the media moves directly into the integrated laser die cutting unit, which shapes each label to any size or contour. No physical dies required. To match your production style, you can choose between roll-to-roll output or roll-to-part output for sheeted or individual pieces. From printing and lamination to laser die cutting, everything is done automatically in one seamless process with the AnyJet 2 Plus. The system supports full cut, kiss cut, perforation, and marking in a single continuous workflow. This means faster turnaround, zero tooling costs, and complete flexibility for both short-run and high-mix production.